Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So this channel is all about hair, food, beauty, reviews and lifestyles. So if it's what you want, please go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to review this Yeheetach makeup storage. So guys, this is makeup trolley, and my makeup has been up and down like almost everywhere, so I thought why not get something to actually, you know, put them in order and just the way I want it, so it will be easy to access and all that. So this is beauty box, beauty trolley, cosmetics organizer, just anything you call it, but it's so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful, and I can't wait to unbox it and show you guys how it looks. So if you want to see how it is, if you want to see yeah, how it looks, then keep. So you can see how it is inside. So guys, this is so tall. Look at how the carton looks. Oh, I got it in pink color. Oh, this is so beautiful, guys. So guys, you can see how they protected it. You know, it's very secured. Really secured. So with this one as well. So you didn't have any dents or anything. Very secured, and that's super cool. This is how it looks. Wow, this is tall, you know. And this is really beautiful, guys. So beautiful. I went for the very long one. It's mainly makeup stuff because I have so many palettes. So okay, so guys, I think you can actually bring them out. So I'm just going to be keeping it here. You can see how the inside looks. has 4 steps. So this is the last one. So this last one is so big, you can put like skincare or whatever you want. You can actually use this for multi-purpose. You can, like, for those that do sewing, you can use it. You can use it for your makeup. You can use it to for palettes, and it's actually movable. It's because it's trolley. You can actually use it to go out if you want. Like, if you are a makeup artist, or like, as you can see, I'm just fixing the so I thought I should bring it a bit closer to show you how it looks. So it has so many colors, but I like the pink color. It has black as well, so see how big this one is, and the troll is so beautiful. See how the trolley looks. So you see this one. How this one is, first thing you do, bring it like this, then close it, and then you see it can move. It's not going anywhere. I really like the inside. They actually provide this for you, where you can like demarcate your stuff, you know, for makeup or whatever you choose it for. So remember, this first, this, and then this. This and this. So guys, this is really strong. When I was looking for it on Amazon, I saw so many of them. This particular one I have, I saw great reviews on it. So actually, like, and it has wheels. This is really beautiful. And guys, if you, let's say you're traveling or you're going somewhere and you just want to take the first one, you just want to take only one, you can actually take this one. So let's say if you're a makeup artist and you want to go to make someone up or something, you can just carry only this one. And here is I think it's metal. It has silver handle. Here they're all silver, and this is pink. I really like it. This is so beautiful. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like it, and I'm just going to use it to pack my makeups, and I will see. So I just bought it specifically for my makeup. Yeah, I'm going to be putting them here. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys like my review. I hope you like it. If you do, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful.